Revitalize your workout wardrobe with our Gym Yoga shorts. Engineered for comfort and flexibility, these shorts offer a blend of style and performance. Crafted for yoga, gym sessions, and beyond, they're the perfect companion for your active lifestyle. There are many products available to choose Gym Yoga shorts, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Gym Yoga shorts from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gym People High-Waist Yoga Shorts. Indulgent comfort blend crafted from a luxurious, premium fabric that embraces opulence. These yoga shorts boast a non-transparent, moisture-wicking, and quick-drying nature. Their 4-way stretch provides unparalleled flexibility, while retaining their original shape wash after wash. Functional elegance, experience convenience with deep side pockets designed to securely hold your essentials. Whether you're on a brisk walk or run, these pockets offer a snug spot for your phone or iPod, ensuring you enjoy your music hassle-free. Enhanced contouring, elevate your confidence with a high-waisted style engineered for tummy control, providing a flattering silhouette. The wide waistband effortlessly molds to your body, offering both compression and support for your yoga sessions. Versatile performance seamlessly, blending fashion and function. These shorts are your ideal companion for yoga, workouts, pilates, running, and diverse fitness activities. Ensure the perfect fit by referencing our comprehensive size chart in the last image. Please note, slight color variations might occur. Size issues. Don't fret. Our online returns center allows easy exchanges for the right fit. Number 2. Oreo Women Shorts. Optimal sizing precision. Ensure a perfect fit by referencing our size chart for ultimate comfort. Finding the right size ensures your confidence and ease during wear. Performance-driven features engineered with a subtle yet sturdy fabric that prioritizes comfort and flexibility. These shorts are equipped with sweat-wicking capabilities. They maintain their integrity during any exercise, offering both squat-proof assurance and lightweight freedom for versatile gym routines. Strategic design with a 5 inseam, designed to stay in place without rolling up. These shorts feature patterns along the back and side areas that accentuate your body's natural lines. An upgraded back scrunch enhances elasticity, sculpting a captivating 3D peach butt effect. Adaptable for every occasion, versatile and adaptable. These shorts are perfect for a range of activities, including yoga, dancing, jogging, running, gym workouts, aerobics, pilates, or even as casual lounge wear for everyday comfort. Quality assurance. Your satisfaction matters. If you encounter any issues with the quality, please reach out to us. We're dedicated to providing you with the choice of a replacement or a refund to ensure your contentment. Number 3. Success Women Shorts. Sculpted enhancement shorts. Embrace confidence with these alluring scrunch butt biker shorts that beautifully contour your figure. Featuring shading patterns and compression fabric on the hips, they elevate your curves effortlessly. Streamlined high-waisted style. Experience a flattering silhouette with these high-waisted biker shorts, designed to offer tummy control and a supportive ribbed wide waistband. They pass the squat test, ensuring both style and functionality. Luxurious material blend. Crafted from a blend of nylon and spandex, these seamless shorts offer a buttery soft feel and exceptional stretch. Enjoy their breathability, moisture-wicking properties, and a camel toe-free experience for ultimate comfort. Versatile wear. Whether for sports, workouts, gym sessions, exercise routines, running, or daily wear, these butt lift shorts adapt seamlessly to your active lifestyle. Tailored sizing. Refer to our size chart for the perfect fit. These shorts boast a 3 inseam and come in sizes S, US 2 to 4, M, US 4 to 6, L, US 6 to 8, and XL, US 8 to 10, ensuring a tailored fit for your body type. Number 4. Orola Workout Women Shorts. Breathable performance. Experience the Orola Power Shorts, meticulously crafted from premium breathable fabric, 90% nylon plus 10% spandex. Moisture wicking in with a 4-way stretch, these sports shorts keep you cool and dry even during rigorous workouts. Elastic waist support. Embrace the tummy-controlling wide waistband that gracefully contours your curves, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit while allowing unrestricted movement. Enhanced comfort. Featuring a diamond-gusseted crotch design for ample coverage and flexibility between poses, these shorts boast flat lock seams to minimize irritation without compromising support or durability. Seamless freedom. Enjoy minimal seams for enhanced comfort and a body-hugging fit, enabling unrestricted movement during your workouts. Built to withstand intense routines, these shorts promise enduring performance. Versatile performance. Ideal for gym workouts, running, yoga, and beyond, the Orola Workout Shorts blend style and comfort seamlessly, ensuring you stay both fashionable and comfortable throughout your fitness journey. Number 5. Sunzel Women Shorts. Introducing the enhanced Sunzel Blossomy Collection. Engineered from a flexible material that enhances mobility during workouts, these shorts feature a high waist for added support and smooth, silky fabric for supreme muscle control. Flexible performance. Move freely in these breathable, buttery soft shorts crafted from 4-way stretch fabric that ensures lasting comfort and sweat-wicking coverage. With options for a 3 or 5-inch short inseam and 8 or 10-inch knee-length long inseam, find the perfect style for your preferences. Essential attributes. Experience a snug fit with no riding up, a naked sensation, non-transparency, breathability, squat-proof assurance, tummy control, a seamless waistband, compression, and exceptional stretch. Luxurious and functional design. Elevate your workout attire by pairing these bike shorts with an oversized hoodie, sports bra, or a chic crop tank top. Versatile and comfy, these shorts offer endless styling possibilities for various workouts and activities. Tailored for active women. Ideal for running, workouts, yoga, cycling, volleyball, and more, these gym shorts cater to your active lifestyle, whether you're exercising or embracing casual summer wear. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.